Ryan, your brother-in-law here. I've been asked a lot of questions about who can access your criminal records. So there's two main things that you can do in Arizona. One of them is a motion to set aside. What happens then is somebody accesses your criminal records. They'll see whatever crime it was that you pled guilty to, but rather than it saying guilty, it'll say set aside. The other thing you can do, it's a newer law, came back in January about 2023, and that's a petition to seal. Now, what that's supposed to do is seal your records completely. We don't have expungement in Arizona, but we have the petition to seal. Now, that being said, we're learning things as things keep going, and we're learning that if someone has already accessed your records, then they may be able to still see them. So it's possible that they can still see them. But the important thing, and the reason why we talk to clients about doing petitions to seal, is because within the petition to seal statute, it actually says if you're asked if you've ever been charged, convicted, or sentenced to the charge in which you get sealed, you can answer no. So that's important. But federally, this is a state statute. So federally, you may still be able to be found. But the important part is that once you get the petition to seal, is you want to make sure that you have that paperwork showing that your petition to seal was granted in order to any employer or whatever you're doing where they're accessing your background. Like, you want that in order to show that your petition to seal was granted, because that's one step above a motion to set aside. Whenever I talk to clients and we talk about records, I say, look, let's do a motion to set aside right away, because you can do that right away. Petitions to seal have a time limit in which you have to wait until you can do a petition to seal. But those are definitely the two things that you want to do anytime you have a criminal record. If you have a criminal record, call us. We can help you walk through that process. We can help you do that process for you, and we can make sure that you get the right steps in order. And then always, if you have questions afterwards, we're here to help. So call the R&R Law Group.
Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We'll see you in the next video.